Noble Energy Inc.'s NYSE NBL first quarter profit topped analysts' estimates, but the oil and gas producer's weak current quarter sales volume forecast sent its shares down 2.5%. Noble, which drills oil wells in the Denver-Julesburg Basin as well as the Permian and Eagle Ford shale plays, said it expects second quarter sales volume at between 340,000 barrels of oil equivalents per day (BOE) and 350,000 BOE, lower than the previous quarter and a year ago. The market consensus was towards the higher end of guidance for the second quarter, KLR Group analyst Gail Nicholson said. Shares of Noble were down at $32.97 in afternoon trade. Slightly lower first quarter volumes in conjunction with the midpoint of second quarter guide below consensus is probably putting incremental weightage on the stock, Nicholson said. However, Noble raised its forecast for full-year sales volumes to between 350,000 BOE and 360,000 BOE, from a previous range of 343,000 BOE to 353,000 BOE to reflect accounting changes. In the latest first quarter, total sales volume fell 5.5% to 361,000 BOE. Reflecting the company's new accounting method, ASC 606, total sales volumes came in at 370,000 BOE. Net income attributable to Noble soared to $554 million, or $1.14 per share, in the quarter ended March 31 from $36 million, or 8 cents per share, a year earlier, helped by a gain of about $795 million from asset sales. Excluding items, it earned 35 cents per share, beating the average analyst estimate of 25 cents, according to Thomson Reuters IBES. The earnings beat was driven by a 30% jump in U.S. onshore shale production and higher crude oil prices. Houston-based Noble's total revenue rose 24% to $1.29 billion. West Texas Intermediate crude futures averaged at $62.89 per barrel in the quarter, up 21.5% from a year earlier. Shale producers, which have benefited from a surge in production over the past few years, are facing increasing calls from investors to use a windfall of cash to boost dividends and share buybacks. Last week, Noble announced a 10% rise in its quarterly dividend rate.